Disraeli, there is severe weather probability today and tomorrow as well. But first, earthquakes, of which there are always some up there. Northern California, the most recent 2.0 magnitude, wherever that is. California, apparently. The strongest earthquake today, let's go to the big map so we can see it. Number 1, also known as number 0, if you're 0 indexed or something. Myanmar. I'll look it up later. Right, that's where the strongest one was today, or not today, but the past 24 hours, 5.9 magnitude. And of course, all of these in the likely source of the Ring of Fire. High temperatures today, not so high in places. For instance, Colorado, big shock, right? With all the mountains, doesn't it get cold? I have no idea. Low temperatures tonight, quite cold where the blue is, but no zeros or negative zeros apparently. And then look at Texas, you bastards. Lower southern Texas staying in the 70s in this low temperature. Bastards. Right. I think that's a flood thing. At the map thing, yeah, it's either a flash flood watch, a flood warning, or flood advisory. Or maybe a hydrologic outlook or short-term forecast. No, it's one of those 3 shades. I had no idea what is what. That is horrible user design or something. Purple is winter weather advisory, isn't it? Yes, finally, I've gotten one correctly. Or remembered one correctly, gotten one correctly. Gotten one correct! English is not my forte. I think that's an Italian word, forte. Pianissimo, forte, clavier, I don't know. Piano, it had some weird name. Here's some weird colours I have not seen, right? Well, at least not juxtaposed. High wind warning next to a flood watch, and then an avalanche warning up and there. So let's read the avalanche warning for the Olympics. And there's like generally a, you should not do this. I don't see it there. Backcountry travel in avalanche terrain is not recommended Monday and should be avoided Monday night through Wednesday morning. So I guess that's your plan of action if you are up there, is to avoid those things. Right. That's winter weather advisory. That's frost. Winter storm watch. Whatever. It's winter. It's flooded, maybe. And here's a new one. What is that? Not helpful. Blues. It is apparently not listed, so that's helpful. Right. Moving on to the thing. Oh, freezing rain. I've not seen that. That's tomorrow, apparently. So heavy snow possible up in the white hatched areas. Lots of clutter. Flash flooding possible in the red, and severe thunderstorms possible in the yellow. But let's look at that. I have not seen that yet. Freezing rain. That's not... I can't really tell. Looks like bits of New Hampshire and Vermont, maybe Maine. I can't tell. It's really cluttered. I blame the map. Is that even... No, it did change. So, freezing rain possible up there. Freezing rain sucks. Or it freezes, as the case may be. Severe weather outlook. Or, as I like to say, it's the severe thunderstorm outlook. Because, you know, if you've got freezing rain with no thunderstorm, that's still severe weather. Right, it's still crap weather. Slight risk today. Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, maybe a smidge of Louisiana. Apparently can't pronounce that state's name. 15% chance of severe wind in those areas. 15% chance of severe hail. 5% chance of a tornado in the Texarkana region. And then 2% going up along that. Tomorrow, even higher, right? Because, 15% is the highest today, 30% tomorrow, and let's say probably not, a slight risk, blah, 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 blah. Not helpful. 30% chance. So then, at least as of now, and it could get upgraded, it could get downgraded, it could stay the same. But tomorrow, Tennessee, Alabama, and Mississippi, let's make sure I got that right. Mississippi, Mississippi, right? Alabama, sure, not helpful at all. Anyway, that's where your severe thunderstorm probabilities are tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll be able to break it down into what are the official numbers for wind, hail, tornado. Is there a chance of tornadoes tomorrow? I do not know. But hey, we did get one more in the Eastern Pacific. Apparently, Kenneth. Oh, and hurricane as of right now. Hurricane Kenneth. So not going to be an M for monster or major, but going to stay a hurricane for a little while longer and then become depressed. Because that's what all of them do. Until we have the great storm of, let's say, the 2012, that's the magic year, right, for all the horrible things. Well, we'll have a permanent hurricane, just like Jupiter. We'll get one of Jupiter's red eye storms and it'll just be lasting for centuries or something. It'll be fun. Right, I don't think that's the word. We're up to a 60% chance in the Atlantic of something happening. Ooh, it kind of looks like a porcupine. Right, so that was your Rorschach for today. Here are the hurricane probability things. So hey, California's up there. Kenneth might come visit California, but most of the models are saying no. And which one was the Atlantic? So, whichever one we're up to in the Atlantic, if it does become something, is not going to hit the US, apparently. But, you know, I don't know. Right, helpful. Anyway, so today, you should totally turn on your weather radio if you're in an infected area. If not, just come do a drive-by shooting of Wicked Wicks. WICKEDWX. And enjoy your Monday, I guess. Somebody's got a case of them.